Imran Khan, who made his promising debut in 2008, has now supposedly quit acting. His best friend, actor Akshay Oberoi, has now revealed that the actor, who has been away from the big screen from 2015, has decided to quit acting entirely but may change focus to directing and writing. It was only until recently that Bollywood was entangled in a furious debate about outsiders versus insiders and about how star kids get an unfair number of opportunities in the film industry. Sadly, Imran Khan, who had a fabulous debut and was very popular for his good looks and cute on-screen persona, never really managed to prove himself as an actor and cement his stardom. Check it out. Imran, who largely acted in rom-coms like Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, I Hate Love Stories and Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, was popular with his chocolate boy looks and affable on-screen presence. He also managed to work with many popular female actors like Kareena, Sonam, Deepika, Anushka and Katrina. But unfortunately, the actor was never really able to impress the critics with his acting skills, whether it was in commercial films or offbeat movies like Delhi Belly or Matru Ki Bijli Ka Mandola. His performances in films Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara was especially criticized, and between 2011 and 2015, when he was seen on screen for the last time in Katti Batti, Imran's career as an actor rapidly went downhill. Sadly, the actor also faced a setback in his personal life, and according to rumors, he was separated from his wife Avantika Malik after frustrations over his failed acting career caused a rift in their marriage as well. It seems now Imran may have decided to quit acting altogether and choose to work on becoming a director and writer. Actor Akshay Oberoi, who happens to be Imran's best friend and has known him for several years now, made this revelation while giving an interview to a news publication. अपने 4 AM friend के बारे में बात करते हुए अक्षय ने कहा, My best friend in Bollywood is Imran Khan, who is no longer an actor because he has quit acting. Akshay also added that Imran has the potential to be a talented director and writer, and he may work towards rebuilding his career in those fields now. As far as I know, there is a better writer and director inside Imran. I do not know when he will direct his film himself. I am not going to put any pressure, but as a friend, I think he will direct his film soon. Akshay added that Imran एक बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर बन सकते हैं क्योंकि उनमें फिल्मों की सेंसिबिलिटी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी है. While Imran does have social media accounts, perhaps the setbacks he has faced recently have not allowed him to be very active online and keep in touch with those who were and continue to be his fans. We hope that he finds a new path that brings him success and happiness.